Hello everybody, it's John here from Antique Watch Company in Clerkenwell, London. Thought I'd upload a quick video of just some of our Omega stock at the moment. We've definitely got you covered as far as vintage Omega watches go. I don't know where to start. We've got Omega Dynamics from the 1970s. We've got the gold on steel. We've got the grey two-tone. And we've got the racing dial blue. Beautiful 125 Speedmaster from 1979. That comes with a 2-year Omega service cover. Fully serviced with a new glass. It's a beast of a watch, that. 125 years of Omega Watch Company. Constellations. C-case Constellation. Beautiful dials. Omega Cosmic with the original bracelets. A lovely Seamaster from 1959. Beautiful watch with the original box. We've got some Art Deco, rectangular, unusual pieces from Omega. Beautiful marine case. Love this watch with the original vintage buckle. That's got a vintage box as well. Look at the dial on this 1936 Omega solid 14 karat gold. So beautiful. We've got the marine, clip back marine with the crazy patina dial. Very unusual on a bond clip style bracelet. These are all on the website, guys. We've got Seamasters. Let's find another Seamaster. Some available on the website. That gold on steel 1958 Omega Seamaster. Original crown. That's available on the website. This has just arrived. Just finished testing this watch. This will be photographed within the next couple of weeks. Seamaster DeVille with the monocoque case. 1966. We've got a pair of Omega Cosmic 2000s. Seamaster Cosmic 2000. Same case reference. Very unusual spider web, spider effect lacquer on the dial there, the way they age. That's all described on the website. And this one's not even listed yet. The graphite grey dial. Seamasters, both 1970s, fully serviced. The Cosmic 2000s in them unusual pod-like cases. Big watches them, they're 38mm. We've got some bumper automatics from 1950. Beautiful Seamaster. Why that watch is still here, I do not know. Great patina. 1950 with the bumper action movement. Screw back. Solid stainless steel. Original crown. Lovely thing. Unusual lugs. Look at the design on them lugs. That's 1947. Beautiful piece again. On the website now. All the prices are listed. Information. You can make an appointment to come and view any of these watches. Do state the watch reference before you message us. If you want to look at more than one watch, that's no problem. Just drop us the reference numbers. Another Seamaster there, and a Geneve. If you like blue dials, original blue dial, and early Seamaster there. That's 1954 automatic, stainless steel. That's on the website. You've got two Geneves, automatic or manual, with that unusual Flixaflex Omega sign bracelet. Both available now on the website. If you like early pieces, there's a Calatrava 1934. What an unusual watch on the original, or period should I say, sprung-loaded bracelet. There's a YouTube video on this about me stripping it. The whole process that I go through. Full strip, new mainspring, new glass, light case polish. Unusual watch that. It's got the 3 circular bands around the bezel. Very unusual, typical 1930s. Yes, lots to look at. All fully serviced, coming with our 12 months non-waterproof service cover. And we've got the jumbo. When I say jumbo, I mean jumbo. That's 38.5mm. Fantastic watch. Videos on most of these and more videos to be uploaded soon, guys. Just an example of what we've got in Omega watches at the moment. What's there? 25 watches. Over 80 watches on the website at the moment. If you want to look at any of these, drop us a message. You can drop them on any avenue, really. TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, email, or even here on YouTube. Do put some comments. Tell us what you like. Tell us what you don't like. Tell us what you'd like to see. And hopefully I'll hear from you soon. Take care, guys. Most of these are on the website, and some of these are coming soon.